Hi Shivam.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What are you doing?
I am reading a storybook.
Okay. Excuse me, Tisha. Can I borrow your pencil?
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hi, Harsh. Will you play with me? Yes, I will. Let's play chess. Okay, let's play. Excuse me, ma'am. Karthik is hitting me. Where is Pradeep? I don't know. Okay.
Nagar, please open the window.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I know the question? Excuse me, ma'am. May I go to drink water?